so we're going to open the next 9 packs. Nihal is just chilling in bed. He's going to be opening all the packs for us while I go through them on screen. We have got 9 packs here.
9,000.
9 packs. These are the back 9. Part 2 this is. So these are the 9 left on the left hand side.
Total like 91.
Open start in the pack, Nihal.
So we have 99 cards.
That's including the energy. So we are going to have 90 cards here that we're going to be opening of Pokemon and trainers. So we'll see what we get.
Yeah.
It's another very hot day here.
On part 1 I was in freaked out.
You've got to see part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, guys, go and check it out. Nihal freaked out when he pulled a certain card.
We can't tell you what it is. You can see on part 4.
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Or you can just what option 1 you can watch part 1, or option 2 you can just wait for part 4.
I don't know if you can hear Nihal because he's sitting in the bed, so his voice might not be projected well, but he's saying that you've got 2 options to find out what he got. You can wait till part 4, or you can go back and watch part 1 if you haven't done so already. Oops, Mudkip. Yeah, Tyranitar, a good start, reverse holo rare, and a Swampert regular rare. Okay, so that's a pretty good start. We've got a reverse holo rare, and I'm sure we probably need that in our binder. We'll probably update our binder and show you after part 4 as well, actually. Let's see what we've got. So what we got in this one, we have got Fairy Energy, Nuzleaf, Friend Ball, Rare Candy, really useful Rare Candy, Manphy, Wingull, Treecko, Voltorb, Sneasel, a Latias, Prism Star, awesome, and a Registeel regular rare. Okay, so you all know I love Prism Stars. So yeah, we're getting some Prisms as well, which is good. Okay, next pack, which Nihal has kindly prepared for me, starts with a Lightning Energy. We have the Sableye. Once during your turn, before you attack, you may look at the top card of your deck. You may discard that card. That's quite interesting. Kecleon's got some awesome artwork again by Oyama. Hustle Bell, oh, this is a really good card. Voltorb, Treecko, Gulpin, Whismur, Shuppet. We have a reverse holo of a Whelmer and a regular rare Grumpig. Okay. Let's see what we have here. So we have Grass type Energy, Solrock, Donphan, Vigoroth, Electrike, Surskit, Onyx, Clamperl. Okay, we're going to pull something that Nihal really hates apparently, Lotad. Nuzleaf reverse holo, and there's something shiny behind here. It is an Alolan Raticate.
That's what I hate. I hate Raticates.
Okay, Nihal hates Raticate. So we got a GX, awesome. So that's really cool. We've got, I don't know if you saw our Japanese Pokemon Gym promo box opening where we were looking for a Rattata. Oh no, man, seriously, he's throwing stuff around, which isn't good.
I did have a fidget spinner.
He threw the code card as a fidget spinner. Okay, anyway. Yeah, Pokemon Gym, we did a Pokemon Gym opening.
I'm gonna do that, keep on doing that in every video.
Okay, that's something new Nihal's going to be doing now. Rainbow Brush reverse, which is quality, and a Regice regular rare. Yep. Next one, Nihal. So yeah. So we did that Pokemon Gym sealed promo, Japanese promo box opening. We were looking for the Alolan Raticates. Check that out. We pulled an Alolan Raticate in our pre-release as well, actually, in one of the packs that we got. So that was cool. Oh, there's an Alolan Rattata. We did. Oh, awesome! Shiftry GX. So we got a Shiftry. Fantastic.
Oh, I'm gonna get the next pack.
Okay, Nihal's getting the next pack. Now, Shiftry is proving to be a really, really good card in this set now. A lot of people have said that this is going to be a really good deck if you play the game. So that's interesting to know. Nihal's getting the next pack ready for me. Oh god, he's just throwing cards all over the place. Luckily they're code cards. Okay, we have Fairy Energy, Last Child's Potion, Alicia, Torkoal, Electrike, Seedot, Wingull, Spoink, Chinchou, Makago reverse holo rare, and a Makago. It's one of those double packs. Makago. Okay. Cool. that in there. How many more packs we got left, Nihal?
This is the second to last.
Second to last, penultimate pack from this side of the box. We have Metal Energy, Underground Expedition, Shell Gone, Beast Ball, Cacnea, Mudkip, Slugma, Beldum, Larvitar, Slackoth Reverse Holo, and a Delmice regular rare. Okay. Right, last pack. Nihal is just getting ready for us.
That's for a different pack.
Okay, Nihal. You've got that pack ready for us yet, Nihal?
Oh,
Okay. He's opening it. He's getting very slow now. He's opening it. Okay, right guys. So we start off with the Fighting Energy, Oricorio Lightning version, Illumise, PokeNihal, Onix, Bagon, a Bellsprout, a Fanfi, a Clefairy, a Combusken Reverse Holo, and a Stevens Resolve Holo to finish things off. Okay, so this is a pretty good quarter box. Let's sort these out in order and show you what we got. So we got Tyranitar Reverse Holo Rare, a Macargo Reverse Holo Rare, Stevens Resolve Holo, a Latias Prism Star, a Alolan Raticate GX, and a Shiftry GX. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this 9-pack opening, which is our second of 4 parts of our booster box. Stay tuned for the next one.
Bye.
See you soon. Bye.